Hello everyone and welcome back to Special Crypto YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and very amazing product which is known as SATO Token. I had made the first video about this product which you can check out on my channel. So in this video I will tell about the collaborations they had done and major updates. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So before going further into the video, I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. So here we are back on the website. You can check out SATO the dog built on the base chain. Also the social media handle details are given here. Also you can check out a small introduction. I will give you a small introduction in this video. So here it is. SATO is a decentralized meme coin born on base network and originally launched with minimal utility beyond its meme value. After a period of abandonment by the original developers, the product was revived by a passionate community of holders who refused to let SATO fade into the obscurity. So this is really amazing thing. So guys, let's move on to the partnerships which they had done. So first partnership is done with Vision Football Factory. You can check out, it's a sports club in England, and address and details are given here. So if you're a football lover, you will be amazed to know about this partnership, because this partnership will make the product go viral in a few days. And also they had not stopped there. They had also partnered with Troy Denny. Troy Denny is an English professional footballer who plays as a striker, and you can check out his track records as well. Also, they had not stopped just there. They had also partnered with Harley Dean. Harley Dean is an English professional footballer who plays as a centre back, most recently for EFL League One club breeding and much more. His position is defender, and you can check out the details as well. So this is really a big partnership. So now coming back to the website, you can check out the token details, contract address, buy down Uniswap, CoinGecko, SLS coin, market cap links are given here. Down here you can check out the SATO gallery as well as SATO NFT details are given here. Down here you can check out their social media handles. And I also want to tell you, if you're a dog lover, they had also partnered with a charity organization who used to rescue dogs. So if you participate in the SATO dog product, you can also rescue the dogs as well. So this is a really wonderful cause. So guys, make sure to join the social media handles as well, because the team is working day and night and doing partnerships with many big names. So the product will perform really good. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.